Eto na, nahawakan ko na ang ROG Phone 8. Halos wala na siyang bezels tapos mas pinaliit nila yung hole punch notch. Tapos tignan niyo yung likod. O di ba? Ang ganda. Pwedeng-pwede mo siyang ipagmalaki. It's the first time that we are seeing IP68 level water and dust resistance. We have two air triggers at the top. Tapos, meron din siyang 50 megapixel flagship level Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS. This camera island packs a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens capable of up to 3x zoom with OIS. This runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. And guys, the highest end ROG Phone 8 will come with 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. Ganon kabangis ang ROG Phone 8.